Hi mine fans, just a quick touch base. I know I haven't shot a video in a little bit. Been down with bronchitis since coming back from New Orleans. That sucks. But also it's been getting hot out here and we're kind of at the end of the season tourist wise, so we are closing tours down for the summer. But that doesn't mean we're not doing a lot of other work on site here. Me and the crew are doing a lot of surface work and underground work. In fact, I'm going to do a little underground work hauling some ladders back in for placement. So why don't you come on along with me and see how we do this. It's fun. Get her done. All these nice ladders. That's a lot of ladders. More of them back here yet. Now they'll go back in. we got my ladders back in, or at least a couple of them. I gotta hitch these guys and go get some more. So there's the first two sections brought back in. Faithful steed, and these second two sections. Each section is 10 feet long, so between the first two and this section, I'll have 40 feet of ladder back in here. And that'll climb a lot of stope. Let's get these untied and stowed with the other ones. Not bad for about 20 minutes of hauling. That's 40 feet of ladder, which if we'd haul them all in on foot sectionally, we're taking this quite a lot longer. So, time to mount up the steed and get back out of here. And yeah, before you say, that's an engine, it's got carbon monoxide. Well, it has one, and it does. But at this point, we've got really good ventilation flowing out of the mine through the portal we came in from, coming from the rest of the mine. Hot days, we always get the cold air moving out through the portal. So there's a good breeze heading back out that way. I can feel it now. And that wind is taking all the bad gas back out through the portal. So, yeah, not a problem here, nice and clear air. And I'm not going to make these two hauls today anyway. I've got 8 more sections. They'll come in a couple more days. But no bad air here, Ma. We're doing all right. Whatever I get you through the night, it's all right, all right. Sing a song down in my mind. It's just fine. It's just fine. We're done. Get these guys next to me. And we're out.